If you're trying to take a photo of me, just go ahead and do it, because look, I've been waiting long enough for this shit. Alright. Oh, fuck. This is good. Okay, now, the moment of all moments. That was good toast. Good toast, fuck. That was bread. Fuck! Oh, look what I just did! Shit. Good fucking toast, man. Oh yeah! Oh fuck. Dude, I have no idea how good this toast is. Cause yo, I need a moment. I need to be alone for a minute. I just jumping. Do you reckon it's still good? Nah. Nah. I'm just gonna eat my butted. Someone at my front door. What a fuck! Oh!